Hey guys, this is Steve doing the video for Paul for the EJ Manuel 1 of 1 Nike Swoosh Rivet card. Sweet card. Here's the list I've had in the thread. That's what I copied and pasted. I'm going to type live. It is 518. 2 dice, no snake eyes. 5 times, guys. Here's the list. Chris for 2, Bill for 5, Mac, Jane, Hardwood, Star for 3, Alexander for 2, Dale, Chris for 2 more, Bob for 3, Chris for 2 more, Hardwood, Seth, Star, Bill's for 5, and Alexander for the last 9. Once again, we're going 5 times. It is 519. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. 4th time, Bill's on top and Chris on bottom after 4. Dice roll was a 5. It is 519. 5th and final time. Good luck, everyone. Bill's cards. Congratulations, buddy. You deserve that one. 5 times. Bill's on top. 5 on the dice. It is 520. Bill, send your information to Paul. I'm going to type done. And it is 520. Thanks, guys.